Project proposal. Very good. The second one is develop or select a framework that will help you organize your ideas systematically. Ma'am, kung mainit ang framework, kung saan din ang framework, ma'am? Framework is your blueprint or outline in making your project proposal. So when you say blueprint or outline, imuhang basihan. Again, kung saan ang framework? Blueprint or outline or imuhang basihan sa paghimo sa imuhang project proposal. So this is the example of your framework. Kung unsay maguna, unsay magsunod, unsay mga informations na needed in your project proposal. That is again, what is that? The framework. Very good. Basta sa sima, or di? By the way, kung makita mong star ha, palambaray mo o stand up. Kung kinsa to yung maol yung garo, mo tayo maka-answer sa okay? For example, ganina sa katong problem natin sa plastic waste management. Ano ang possible solution ato is recycling, composting, transfer. So, unsa man nga pwede nga organization ang pwede natong may i-identify in supporting our project proposal. Means specifically budgeting. Okay, unsa man nga organization? Organization. So, what's the organization? Yes, man. LGU. Again? LGU, because LGU is ang gikuha sa LGU is ang tumong is for the sake of the community. Okay, very good. So, mag-identify kita ang organization para mag-support sa ato ang whether ito materials and other expenses na pwede natong gamiton sa tuwang project proposal. Understand? Yes, ma'am. Very good. So number 4, build your project proposal team and appoint a project leader. Ma'am, mahimo ra ba ikaw ra usa mahimo ba nimo nga ikaw ra usa in making your project proposal? Okay. So you need to appoint a team, you need to create your team in making your project proposal para ang tanan is makasabot sa inyong project proposal. Okay? Ang tanan is makasabot kung sa ilang assigned rules and responsibilities in project proposal. Okay? And you need to appoint a project leader. Ma'am, sa man buhat ani project leader, magkanto ra ba sila? No. Si project leader ang mag-guide sa team with the help of his or her. Okay?
Ang imo nga ba essence ako
Number 5.
Kaya ako essence
Hold
sa
an
gani.
initial meeting with your team to discuss the plans. Since naanang mo yung team na ay different responsibilities in your team, you need to have an initial meeting for updates. Kung saan ay nakita mo sa inyong project proposal, kung saan yung sabay na baka need na i-improve, na baka need i-revise, and such. Para ang tanan is, again, sa ito, makasabot sa goal sa inyong project proposal. So that's why you need to have a meeting to discuss kung saan ay dagan o kung saan ay plano sa inyong project proposal.
Star naman na ganong mahatag maka-answer.
Istorya si Ma'am sa Kuhaton? So, ganito ang ikatulo, ikaupat, ikalima nga guidelines in preparing your budget proposal. No? Sa to, ang guideline number 3, 4, and 5 in preparing your project proposal. Identify the organization. Project leader and lead. Very good. Another. Apa?
Na may klase dito nila unya no.
Okay,
May klase
very
nila
good. So
unya.
let's give Miss.
Mag-announce na sa miss.
Okay.
Ganun, sa ba nila?
So let's give Miss Amina lang nila. Okay ba? Kailan lang? Kanang magbibitok sa iba. Okay. Let's give Miss Amina lang. How to execute? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Manang lang. Ay. Okay, let's execute lang to Miss Amina. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, so let's proceed to guideline number 6, allot sufficient time for planning.
Kailan yun,
Of
very good
course,
clap
in making your project proposal, dili kita nimo dayon makungan. Kay daghan siya parts na need iplano in making your project proposal. Dapat hanay tanan. Okay? So you need to have an enough time in preparing your project proposal kay para na ay possibility nga i-accept ang inyong project proposal i-submit niyo nga to sa evaluator. So that's why gahinan yun niyo kung oras. Dili niyo pasagdaan. Dili niyo pasagdaan. Gahinan niyo kung oras. Dapat na may time management in making your project proposal. So guideline number 7, involve all team members by assigning specific responsibilities. So as what I said earlier, that project proposal needs a team. So dapat ang members na non-members is na ay assigned roles. Ikaw sa drafting, ikaw sa revising, ikaw sa editing, ikaw sa budgeting. So dapat yun ang kanang members is na ay sa to equal opportunities and responsibilities each member. So ay mo balisa ko ito. So number 8, be realistic with your project proposal. When we say the word, when we say the word realistic, sa na? Tinuod, very good.
Katuuhan.
So in making your project proposal, dili lang ingon nga sa papel na pagtutok. Dapat na ay action. Dili magpaasa og tao. Ay sakit ng magpaasa og tao. Dapat na ay action, okay? Dili lang siya tutok sa papel. funding agency, no? So, kung taga na mong budget, na allocated budget. Kunya, kung ito ninyo buhaton na may budget, no? Ganito ninyo buhaton din ninyo, implement into action. O, daghan ang kontrakto. So, dapat, i-implement din ninyo or be realistic and implementing your project proposal. Very good. Oh my God!
Nangaling. Phil R. Calvario.
Be realistic with your project proposal. Meaning, wala na ba? Sa ganito? Oh, be realistic. Meaning, what? Easy na lang namin. Dapat, tinood. Dapat, tinood. Dapat, dili lang kutog sa papel. Dapat, imo siya i-implement into action.
Wala, ang lang clap.
Number 9, contact the funding agency if some items and requirements are unclear. Diba? Natin organization. And we need to contact them for guidance. Okay? Mag-ask na nila of help, especially in budgeting. Kasi sila may nakahibaw na when it comes to usay mga allocated na budget ang needed ng activity, kaninga activity, and so on and so forth. So we need to coordinate with with the funding agency na atong na identify. Okay? Number 10, always put yourself in the shoes of the receiver of the project proposal. Dili na siya literal nga sapatos, ha? What do we mean by that, the I, ma'am? So always put yourself in the shoes of the receiver of the project proposal. So punta kay ikaw nagbuhat sa project proposal. So imuhang ka ba din asaan evaluator? Mag-self-evaluation ka sa imuhang project proposal. And you need to ask yourself, saan ko nabot ka na yung project proposal? Nagpapahikuang. Kasi may need to improve ani. So, bali, you are doing some sort of evaluation in your own project proposal para i-submit mo nga sa evaluator is na ay chance na naman i-accept nila ang imuhang proposed project. Okay? So, nakasagot ka ba? Nakasagot ka? From guideline 1 to 10? Yes, Ma'am Bitaw. Sige daw, umutangan ako. What is guideline number 1? Yes, miss. Guideline number 1.
discussion.
Para daw po na mag-success ang project proposal sa kaya mo yung Go to your respective group. Sige, balik sa counting sila. Count yourselves from 1 to 7. Look at to, anak. Sige. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Group 1, stay there. Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, 5,
Mayroon na yung discussion kaya naman di pa ko maniwag mo sa guidelines. Kana kay preparing niya writing kaya dili na niya discuss.
So I will give you 5 minutes to do the activity.
Hindi ko makamarunong. Ba't ngayon mo lang pinaburot yan?
Sa oral na po. Nakoy-twist ba sa oral?
Full storage na ka.
Storage na? Sige po. Ako lang di ako. Ikaw?
I-apel pa na ko video activity o ang quiz or kato na lang ang discussion.
Sa man? Yan.
Tapos sa kuha mo niya, ibigay na ko balikan yung start nila.